Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to explore Zia Agents in Zoho Desk and learn how to configure them from start to finish. Zia Agents are AI-powered digital teammates designed to work alongside your support team. They help automate customer service operations, respond to customer queries, assist with the ticket management, and improve the overall efficiency of your help desk, all while providing customers with faster and more consistent support. By the end of this video, you will know how to enable Zia agents, deploy them in your Zoho Desk portal, and configure them for your support departments. So let's get started. What are Zia agents? Before we jump into the setup, let's first understand what Zia agents are. Zia agents are intelligent AI assistant built directly into Zoho Desk. Instead of simply suggesting responses, these agents can actively participate in your support workflow based on the permissions and responsibilities you assign. They are designed to reduce repetitive work for your support team, improve response times, and help maintain consistent customer service around the clock. Currently, Zoho Desk provides two built-in AI personas: support specialist, resolution expert. Each one is designed for a specific purpose within your customer support process. The support specialists act as your frontline AI support representative. It can communicate with customers, respond to incoming support tickets using empathetic and professional language, understand customers' intent, and assist with resolving common issues automatically. When a conversation becomes more complicated or the customer appears frustrated, the AI can recognize the situation and intelligently hand the conversation over to a human support representative. This creates a smooth balance between automation and personalized customer service. The resolution expert. This works behind the scenes. Instead of interacting directly with the customers, it monitors complete support tickets, summarizes the conversation, identifies valuable solutions, and automatically updates the resolution or knowledge base section. This helps your organization continuously build a better knowledge repository while reducing the manual effort required from support agents. Step 1. Open Zia Agents. Now let's configure the agents. Inside Zoho Desk, click on Setup. Under the User Management section, locate and open Zia Agents. If this is your first time using the feature, you will see an introduction explaining what Zia Agents can do. Read through the information, review the conditions, and click Enable. Step 2. Choose the AI persona. Once enabled, you will see the available AI personas. Depending on your organization's requirement, you can activate support specialist, resolution expert, or both together. Hover over the agent you want to configure. Click View and Activate. This opens the configuration page for the specific AI persona. Step 3. Activate the agent. Click Activate. You will now be redirected to Zia Agent Studio, where Zoho manages the deployment and authorizations of AI agents. This is where you will connect the AI agent to your Zoho Desk environment. Step 4. Deploy the agent. Inside Zia Agent Studio, click Deploy. From the list of supported Zoho applications, choose Zoho Desk. Next, select your organization's desk portal. Click Continue. The deployment wizard will now guide you through the remaining configuration. Step 5. Configure access. The next step is defining where your AI agent should operate. Choose the appropriate agent role based on the permissions you want the AI to have. Then select the departments where the agent should be active. For example, you may want the AI to work only in the customer support department or across multiple departments such as sales support, technical support, or billing. Selecting only the required department helps ensure the AI operates in the correct areas of your organization. Once you have made your selection, click Continue. Step 6. Customize the agent. Before completing the setup, you have the option to customize your AI agent. You can rename it to something that better matches your organization's branding. For example, support assistant, help desk AI, customer success bot, support expert. This is the name customers and support agents may see while interacting with the AI. After making your changes, click continue. Finally, click done to complete the deployment. Your Zia agent is now active within Zoho Desk. Once deployed, the AI immediately begins assisting according to its assigned responsibilities. If you have enabled the support specialist, it can assist customers by responding to support tickets, handling repetitive requests, and escalating complex issues to human agents when necessary. If you have enabled the resolution expert, it continuously reviews resolved tickets, creates conversation summaries, and updates your organization's knowledge base with useful solutions. Together, these AI agents help reduce manual work, improve response quality, and ensure your support knowledge remaining accurate and up to date. And that's how you can configure Zia Agent in Zoho Desk. With just a few setup steps, you can deploy AI powered digital teammates that help automate customer interactions, streamline ticket resolutions, and keep your support knowledge continuously updated. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more Zoho Desk and AI automated tutorials. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.